May MBC. Ito naman guys, pumapasok tayo ngayon sa area na very reminiscent 1970s yung setting. It was the era kung saan mataas yung consumption ng soju ng lokal. Every day, they're able to produce 400,000 bottles of soju. Chan! Samgyetang chicken. Uy, Philippine represent. Philippine.
Kambe? And then Chan and then
And thank you for making this trip easy for me. So ayun, thank you guys. See you in Korea and in the Philippines.
What comes to your mind when you hear about the Philippines? Hi, good morning guys. Annyeonghaseyo. Oops. Hi, ba't di nagfo-focus? Ayun. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, and it's our last day here in Korea. Uwi na tayo mamaya. Palabas na yung mga tao with our maleta. I-comment ko yung link ng maleta ko. Ang tagal na nito. Since 2022. My bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up. So airport guys.
Airport ka naman.
Yes. Goodbye, Heunde. Goodbye. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday, Sam, to you. Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다. Birthday ni Sammy ngayon. Sinurpress siya dito sa bus. Last day talaga. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung Klook code naman natin na Dave Gino Klook, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Here we go guys! We're here in Changwon City. So this is the first planned city in Korea. By plan meaning plinano talaga to ng government. Kasi yung iba diba naturally na lang nagde-develop. Ito talaga planado siyang maging developed. Yung first stop natin, it's breakfast. Charing. Nasa Soju Museum tayo. So this is Good Day Museum. One of the largest liquor museums in South Korea. So they have over 3,000 types of alcohol dito. So let's go. So Good Day is a brand of soju, okay? Ayun. Tara, ang dami lang award B. May mga artwork dito guys kasi nagpapa-competition din sila. Guys, kita natin dito yung mga soju. Oh. Look at the box guys. Automatic siyang ma-form. Wala pang label, itong first line. They can attach 1,000 labels per minute. Ayun, may labels na yung pangalawa. Ito, kita natin dito yung labeler. May pinapasok na used na bottles dyan. Regardless of which company, nire-recycle nila yung bottle. Sanitation, yung pinakamatagal na process dito is 40 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius. Every day, they're able to produce 400,000 bottles of soju. Ganon karami. Pero pre-pandemic, it was 700,000. Ngayon, hindi na masyadong nagkukonsume ng soju yung mga tao. Diyan ini-inject yung soju or nilalagay yung soju, okay? They have factories all over Korea. Ay, sorry po. So, sa museum, guys, nandito yung iba't ibang liquor from different countries. Okay? Japanese. Ito na. Korea represent in this area. These are the liquor of North Korea. Yung San Miguel talaga yung inangat dito. Brands from the Philippines. Philippine represent! Ito, may pa-Africa pa, oh. Ito naman, guys, pumapasok tayo ngayon sa area na very reminiscent 1970s yung setting. Ito siya. So it's also part of the museum, pero this time it showcases how Korea looks like in the 1970s it was the era kung saan mataas yung consumption ng soju ng lokal. Kasi yun yung time na before maging progressive, maging super developed yung Korea, people were working so hard, they get tired after work, na yung way nila to relieve their stress ay yung soju. Tingnan natin, para may glimpse tayo of 1970s. Ay, ang saya! Ito, ganitong ginagawa ng mga tao dati.
1, 2, 3, go.
Cheers! Ayan, ganon. Yes. Oh, this is how it looks like during the 1970s. Okay? Gato, chill lang yung mga tao after work because they're tired already from working so hard to achieve the development of Korea. May tindahan, tapos dito may restaurant or may kainan, tapos may mga calendar girls dito. Okay, hindi naman sila calendar girls, pero alam niyo yun, kumbaga mga tanduay girls. 1, 2, 3, go. Chan! True, very sprite. Very sprite. Lunchtime, guys. Let's go. Ang ganda. It's giving. Oh, bakit? Kaya nga eh, kita ko. Wow! Taray, 1982. Kinabog ang The Last Supper. Samgyetang chicken. Chicken stew. Correct, stew. May rice na sa loob.
Lasang tinola pa nila.
Nagsamgyetang ka na dito?
Yeah. Sa
Okay,
Seoul.
Seoul. So, nasa loob yung rice, guys. May porridge sa loob. Look. Okay, guys. Naglalakad tayo ngayon dito sa Changwon. Katapos lang natin mag-lunch. So, pupunta tayo sa market. Uy! CJ!
Uniform mo.
Ahof! Ah, yeah. Si JL. Picturean ko nga. Ang tari, nagmo-model pala siya dito. Ay, ayun, Ahof. Kaya pala. Guys, Pinoy ito. Proud Pinoy.
Oh my God, si JL!
Proud Pinoy moment. Ganito lang siya dito. It's peaceful. Ito yung dating Myeongdong nila, guys. Nagkaroon ng decline, kaya may ginawa silang art village dito. Decline because of high competition from modern department stores. Tapos, sabi ng tour guide natin, in the recent times, people would rather go buy online. Talagang bustling daw ito before. So, may Chandong Art Village dito, guys. Ay, ito. Masarap daw dito, guys. Mingyu! Let's go. Ay, ang bango. Hindi, amoy tinapay. Malamang, bakery. Tara. Annyeonghaseyo. Ito daw yung bestseller. Here. This one. Sabi ni KPO, kumuha ng pinakamahal. So, kumuha tayo ng 10,000 won dito. Nakatatlo tayo here. Ito na yung signature, guys. May cream sa loob. Yeah. May MBC radio station here. Local radio station.
원하셨던 원어원의 뷰티풀을 이겼고요. 여기 따라오면 딱 좋은 노래가 있을 것 같아가지고 BTS 봄날입니다. 반가워요.
Hello. It's a lovely spring day today. Perfect.
김군. 네, 그렇습니다. 지금 저
Ala, in-introduce tayo dito,
방탄소년단 노래 하나
guys.
더 드릴게요. 필리핀에서 제일 유명했던 가수는 우리가 알고 있는 가수는 그 프레디 아길라라는 가수가 제일
Oh, Freddie Aguilar!
오, 아나.
Anak! Anak!
알겠습니다.
Oh, Rino, anak!
나중에 아나 한번 볼까?
Arirang, arirang, arariro. Alak day. May makgoli pa tayo later, guys. Pero punta muna tayo in this traditional market. Arts and crafts. Uy, Philippine represent. Philippine. Kabayan! Philippine represent.
Tapos next year may hat.
Nagpipicture na yung mga tao. Ito, kape-kape lang. Such a chill day. Siya yung favorite part ko today, yung as in super spontaneous, pumasok tayo sa radio station, MBC. As a broadcast communication graduate, it resonated with me. Tapos ang ganda pa ng song na pinatugtog. Last day namin today, tinanong ko kanina kung kailan ulit tayo magkikita-kita. Probably the next event of KTO. Alright, let's go guys! Ang saya ng chikahan dito, hinulaan namin yung edad ni Nuna. So unang hula ko, 35 or 34, higher daw. 39, higher. 40. I was just telling them your age. It's the most sickening information today.
She's the oldest one in Paraguay.
And she's proud of it because you're younger than her. Yeah, shook. So what's the secret? Gagawa tayo ng makgoli, guys. It's a traditional Korean drink, rice wine. Our last activity for today. For this trip. Let's go. I'll try the most expensive one.
Let me try too.
The most expensive one here, na wine. Toast.
Try it.
Yes.
Do you know in Korea when you toast? So you're the sometimes
I am the younger.
you're the younger
Yes,
then you have
yes.
to toast
Yes.
lower the cup.
Yeah, younger.
So okay, this is also to see the relationship. So if you are a friend, don't care about that. So I can toast it, but if you're younger, so both hands toast.
Toast.
It's like a show of respect. But sometimes I couldn't be touching your bottom because you're the my special guest. Anyway,
Okay. So let's check again. Kambe?
and then chan and then oh.
It's really good.
Ang sarap.
Ito yung cherry blossom guys. Tingnan natin kung
So may makgoli na lasang cherry blossom.
Area. Let's do the class first.
Okay,
then I
class
do the
first.
time. Okay, let's go. Come here.
Science class, guys.
There is
So, makgoli making tayo dito.
50 milliliter.
Shucks, may chemistry class dito, guys. Charing. 50. It's only until 40. It's only 40.
I know it's kind of, you can just
Measure. 50.
50. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. So around 50, like maybe like here. Okay, yeah.
So, main ingredients, rice, yeast, and water. Pero meron pa tayo ditong ibang ingredients, guys. Ayan, may mga pa-measure-measure tayo ginagawa dito, okay? Mix. Anong, ma-upload mo ba yan? Sorry. Ang dami ko din na-upload last year eh. Tama, ayan. Queen of measurement. You should be precise in terms of the measurement. I mean, sa pag-weigh. Ito na siya. Okay na. So, anong next step nito? 2 days. So, ibibigay lang natin sa kanila. Free labor. Di natin siya mauwi sa Pilipinas, guys. Okay? Ay, ito na. May pa-remembrance sila. Maraming salamat, Changwon, for this. Final speech. Kamsamnida.
I am deeply the appreciation to show to give you to come to the Gyeongsang South Province.
Final group photo. So quick. Final group photo na, guys. Uwi na, guys. Pero magpapasurvey muna sila.
Creators, you have new ones and from last year and the past 2 years. So thank you for enjoying Korea. And thank you for making this trip easy for me. Since kaya nyong kayo lang. So hindi nyo kailangan ng assistance that much. So thank you very much everyone. So ayun, thank you guys. See you in Korea and in the Philippines.
Thank you. Last one. Best driver, Mr. Park.
Wow! Mr. Park, kamsamnida! Kamsamnida! Ingat! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sarange. Ay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nuna, bye-bye. See you. Keep in touch. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. Ayun na sa'yo. Enjoy Seoul. Kita-kita tayo sa Maynila, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you sa ano? Tara na. Ay go. One of the best for 4 days.
Enjoy Busan.
Enjoy Seoul. Yung makeup mo ha.
Kaya nga eh, dapat
para
lagi
super
na.
power ka.
Oo.
Bye-bye. Goodbye to our tour guide. What comes to your mind when you hear about the Philippines?
Philippines is mango is very food, very delicious.
Mango.
I will go to the Philippines.
Yay! 감사합니다. Thank you. Guys, they give me, this is shopping, Korea shopping, fiesta. 감사합니다. They give me power bank. Wow. Wow. Binigyan pa ako ng power bank guys, tapos earpods. So si Jay, na-meet ko siya nung pagkalapag ko. Tapos we followed each other on Instagram. Nakakatuwa. Uwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. We're riding Philippine Airlines pa uwi. My heart is so full. This fam trip. This is our third fam trip with Korea Tourism Organization. Last year, we were with the same people, pero may mga bago lang, mga new K-creator. And I'm just so happy that we were able to get to know them so much better. Boarding na kami guys. Nauna kami kasi yung iba nag-stay pa, nag-extend sa Seoul, si RM sa Busan. Napaka-meaningful ng trip na to. Sana mapanood yung iba kong pang vlogs. Always the best part of the trip, syempre aside from the beautiful spots of the cities that we visited, as well the connection with the people, even the locals, it makes the trip really more meaningful. Mamimiss ko yung mga nakasama ko. Thankful ako sa mga naging tour guide natin. Solid. Napaka-solid ang mga naging tour guide natin. Sinabi din nila kanina, I think it's a flex na kami daw yung best content creators or influencers na nakasama nila sa trip. So here from Busan guys, Gimhae pala. Gimhae is not a part of Busan. It's a neighboring city. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye guys. When you think about the Philippines, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Be honestly?
Honestly.
Philippines.
Philippines, yes.
Philippines is
Boracay. Why Boracay?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You've been there?
Yes. Boracay, Cebu,
Cebu.
Manila,
Manila. But you like Boracay best?
Cebu.
Cebu.
And for 3 times.
For 3 times.
And pre-diving. I went Cebu 3 months ago.
Oh.
11th wedding anniversary in,
Wow.
in Cebu.
축하합니다.
thank you.
예, 감사합니다.
Food.
Food.
My close friends, like from Filipino friends, they used to cook for me.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Adobo, sinigang, pansi, pandan.
Yes.
Be honestly?
Honestly,
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oh,
It's just-
Jollibee is very famous. I mean, so when the Jollibee is just remind me the Philippines. Yeah, and Boracay
Oh.
and Sandra Park.
Sandara Park, 감사합니다. She's super famous in Korea because of 21. Still famous. So big in Korea. What comes to your mind when you hear about the Philippines?
Philippines.
Philippines, yes.
There are many handsome. Philippine people is very handsome and beautiful.
Beautiful.
I love mango in Philippines.
Mango, delicious.
Delicious.
What comes to your mind when you hear about the Philippines?
Philippines is mango is very food, very delicious.
Mango.
I will go to the Philippines.
Yay! 감사합니다. Thank you.